traditional ceremonies poses a heightened risk of girls, especially in regions where FGM is still prevalent. We urge communities, parents, and local leaders to take a stand and join us in safeguarding the well-being of children. Our collective action can ensure that no child has to face the trauma and long-lasting effects of FGM. How can we protect children from FGM? One is through education and awareness. We must educate parents, guardians, and communities about the dangers of FGM. Attending our grassroots forums will empower families with knowledge of the legal implications and health risks associated with FGM and other forms of gender-based violence. Number 2 is parental guidance, encouraging open discussions between parents and children about FGM and its risks is quite essential. Parents should be equipped with the right resources to protect their children and build support networks to share protection strategies. Number 3 is crisis intervention. We call for the establishment of emergency plans for families who suspect their children are at risk. Confidential hotlines and reporting mechanisms are crucial for ensuring help is available to those in danger. Another way is through community monitoring. Communities play a vital role in identifying and stopping FGM activities. We urge the formation of local watch groups to detect potential FGM threats and offer support to families at risks. And then finally, we have safe spaces. Let us all ensure that children have access to safe zones where they are shielded from FGM ceremonies. Organized activities can keep them engaged and out of harm's way during these holidays. At ISF, we are proud to support grassroots efforts like those of our partners who are taking active steps to end FGM and other forms of GBV. By working together, we can protect our children and create a safer future. We encourage everyone to take part in these actions and remain vigilant. Let us remember that protecting children from FGM is a collective responsibility that requires commitment, education, and immediate intervention from all of us. Thank you.